In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your primary speed sensor on this Nissan Pathfinder. It's located on the transmission. You can go right through the driver's side wheel well and you'll see it to the left side of your CV axle. So it's located towards the front of the vehicle, which is right there. This is it right here. Let's get started. I'm going to first disconnect the electrical connector. So press on that tab and gently pull this back. There we go. A lot of times these are stuck from sand buildup. Now we'll need a 10mm socket to remove this bolt over here that holds the sensor in place. Break this free and remove it the rest of the way. Take that out. Now you should be able to grab this sensor, twist it back and forth. Hopefully it breaks free and it's not stuck. And now we just have to pull this out. Be very careful not to break it inside the transmission. You can use a small screwdriver to help you out if needed. Just don't pry too hard because, like I said, you can break it. Oh, there we go. That means this outer sleeve that encases the sensor part is stuck in here. We'll just grab some pliers and pull this out. I'm using some curved needle nose pliers to hopefully pull this thing out of here. If you can wiggle it back and forth, you should be able to just slowly work it out of here. As you can see, it is coming out. Just be careful not to break it. And I'm going to try to avoid spraying rust penetrant on here because I don't want to get it inside the transmission. Grab it on the other side. There we go. There's that O-ring that was stuck. And there's the rest of it. I'm going to take a clean rag and wipe off this hole here to make sure there's no debris that will go in the transmission when I put the new sensor in. It all looks good to me. Now take your new sensor. You can lubricate it with transmission fluid or engine oil or whatever, just on the O-ring part so that you can actually slide it in easily. You don't want to tap on it with a hammer or anything. Make sure it slides in all the way before you put the bolt in. There we go. It should kind of snap in place. Now start in the bolt. And let's tighten it up. Now when you tighten this, you don't need to really crush it down. You just need to make it snug. So once it bottoms out, just give it a little extra and that's it. You don't want to break this off inside the transmission. That's bottomed out. A little extra and we're good. Plug in the electrical connector and make sure it clicks. And there you have it. Take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.